For years, e-commerce has been defined by a specific kind of grind. You write a 2,500-word blog post, hunt for backlinks, and hope the data is enough to get you noticed. This massive effort is built entirely around gaming the old search algorithm, a system designed to serve up 10 blue links and let the user do the heavy lifting. But as Gemini integrates into every Google browser and Rufus enters the Amazon app, search behavior is changing. Users are moving away from browsing links and towards AI answer engines that provide a single, definitive response. When a shopper asks an AI for the best protein powder or the coldest tumbler, the machine doesn't provide a library of websites. It processes the options for the user and offers 2 or 3 direct recommendations. Because these AI models only have space for a few recommendations, any brand that isn't optimized to be the machine's primary answer effectively ceases to exist in the customer's journey. This shift requires a new strategy, Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. Unlike traditional SEO, which rewards long time on page, AEO prioritizes 3 things: speed, authority, and clarity. To win, brands have to stop burying the lead. AI engines scan content from the top down, so you must provide the answer in the first 2 sentences of your content, or the bot will simply move to a clearer source. Format data using a semantic triple, stating your product, use case, and primary benefit as one connected thought. Apply this logic to a web of answers. Building a massive repository of specific FAQs provides the AI with a dense map of information. You can find these questions by mining Search Console for the niche, long-tail queries your customers are actually typing, rather than just the broad keywords your competitors are fighting over. When you provide direct, friction-free answers to these niche questions, you become the AI's most reliable source of information. The third rule of AIO is about building citations. AI models don't just rely on backlinks. They look for mentions and human proof that your brand is a legitimate authority. Amazon's Rufus, for example, evaluates your specific product listing, but it also crawls the broader internet to cross-reference your reputation against other sources. The AI is essentially looking for a character reference. It tracks user sentiment on Reddit, searches for video reviews on YouTube, and scans press releases to see if industry experts are citing your work. Rule 4 is the technical blueprint that organizes this proof for the bots, the llm.txt file. This file acts as a funnel, taking your scattered brand data, social profiles, testimonials, and awards, and structuring them into a single pass that an AI bot can digest in seconds. Combining these technical files with human citations creates an authority that AI engines are trained to trust and recommend. Brands that stop chasing the algorithm and start providing direct answers are seeing a significant shift in how customers interact with their products. Recent industry testing shows traffic referred by AI models has a 40% lower bounce rate than traditional search traffic. Because the AI has already vetted the brand, these referrals convert at 3.5 times the standard web traffic rate. This resembles the early windows of opportunity we saw with Google SEO in 2004 and Amazon in 2013. The brands that implemented the AEO rulebook during those early shifts were able to compound their authority, while their competitors were still trying to understand the change. The period of building up to the point is ending. To reach the modern customer, you don't need to play the old ranking games. You just have to be the answer.